Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We are looking at the Chainsaw Guy Stihl 84 chainsaw. Very powerful chainsaw. This one has some upgrades. It's got the high flow filter system on it compared to the stock one, which had a tendency to plug up real bad. You can see this one has a lot more space for more airflow. And it has the Buckshot muffler. It's a dual-ported aluminum faceplate. Really increases the performance of this saw and gives it a nice crisp sound on that exhaust. I'll fire that up for you and let you listen to it. If you have any questions on the Buckshot mufflers or the high flow filter system, give the Chainsaw Guy a call.